Hello and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. Today I wanted to talk to you about some strategies in case you feel like someone is following you on a trail or on a walk, or maybe someone is behind you and maybe saying inappropriate things or trying to get your attention, how you can address that.
Hey, you pretty lady.
Hey.
Hey, I've been hiking behind you for a while, and I like.
Okay, I'm not interested in talking.
No, I'm just saying you're cute. I thought we could hike together.
No, I don't want to hike with you.
I don't want to hold your hand or nothing. I'm just saying we hike
Okay,
together.
no, I'm not interested.
My name's Gus.
I don't want to meet you. Look, I'm just out here to enjoy the day.
Okay, princess. I'm just trying to make friends. I don't know what your problem is.
I wanted to bring this up because a lot of times when we feel like we're being followed or we hear a noise behind us, sometimes we're hesitant to turn around when we should just turn around, see what's behind us, see what's making that noise, see who is walking behind us. There's nothing wrong with doing that. That in itself is not going to escalate a situation because you can't turn someone into an attacker. So if you hear something behind you or you notice someone following you, instead of putting our head down and walking forward or walking fast or pretending like we don't see them, instead turn around and face them. Look behind you, look them in the eye, and if you feel really uncomfortable and your intuition is really sparked, turn around and face them and address them. Ask them, hey, is there a problem? Or hey, good afternoon. Is there a reason why you're following me? And be direct. Confidence and direct language and body language like that can be a deterrent to somebody who's expecting you to act like you're afraid or to freeze. Instead, turn around, let them know that you see them. You might even want to get into ready stance if you feel like you need to and address that person. And then figure out what the situation is. If you can let them pass in front of you, let them pass in front of you and continue on your way. Or if you decide that you need to turn around and backtrack, you can do that as well. But it's okay to turn and face the person and address them and make that eye contact. Look behind you if you hear a noise and stand confident in your ability to defend yourself with your voice and your body.